Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Purba. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this dramatic purple half cut crease eye look using Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. For today's eye look, I'm going to use the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. First of all, I'm going to prime my eyes with Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm going to set it with a loose powder from Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana. The first shade I'm going to use is called Your Majesty. This is a grayish white matte shade. I'm going to use this under my brow bone to highlight. The next shade I'm going to use is called Deviant. This is a really light pastel lilac shade. I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna blend this all over my crease, and I'm slowly building it up. First I took a small amount of product and then went back again and again to build up the color. The next shade I'm going to use is called Vivid Mode. I'm going to blend this in my crease as well. I will link down all the brushes that I'm using in the description box below. For the next color, I'm going to use the shade called High King. This one is slightly darker than the previous two shades, so I'm going to apply this shade on my outer V area to darken it up, and once there is no product left on my brush, I'm going to blend this on my crease as well. The next shade I'm going to use is called Blood Queen. This is a deep matte purple shade. I'm going to pack this shade on my outer V area and slowly build up the color by using a little amount of shade every time, and whatever left on my brush, I will blend them on my crease as well. Now, to darken up my crease and outer V area even more, I'm going to use the shade Dungeon. This is the most darkest purple shade of the palette. I'm going to use this shade on my outer V area by applying a little amount of shade every time and slowly build up the color so that there remains no harsh lines. It's time to cut the crease. Now I'm using the same concealer to cut my crease. I'm using the concealer on my upper lash line and I'm looking up so that I can see where the line imprints and I can cut my crease sharply. Now I'm using the shade Weird Jewel on the upper portion of my lid without setting the base with any kind of loose powder or eyeshadow. Now I'm using the shade Pink Magic on the lower portion of my lid and I'm mixing it with the previous shade. Now using the shade Dungeon, I'm trying to diffuse the edges of the shimmery shade on my outer V area. Now Using the shade Blood Queen, I'm trying to blend the shimmery shade and the shade called Dungeon. For giving this eye look more depth, I'm going to use the shade Executioner on my outer V area, and I will slightly blend this color on my upper lash line to create an eyeliner look. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm just using the same shades that I have used on my crease. Now, I'm using a black hole liner on my waterline and tight line. Using the shade Beauty Sleep, I'm highlighting my inner corner. I have applied mascara and false lashes off camera. So yeah, that's the finished eye look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching my video. If you did, then please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.